Breaking news, everybody. Titebond 3 is $10 a gallon. Where? Good question. I don't see it advertised anywhere, but I did see it at my local Home Depot, and it had a yellow clearance tag for $10 even per gallon of Titebond 3. Now, I heard it's happening in all of the Houston, Texas market. I heard somebody went to San Antonio and didn't see it. I heard somebody went to Victoria, maybe Corpus Christi, and did not see it. I don't know if it's happening anywhere else in the country, but in the Houston, Texas market, while supplies last, Titebond 3 per gallon, $10 even. I ended up at my local store. I bought the 7 gallons. That's what they had. I bought all 7. I'm keeping 3 for me. I already gave 4 of them away to my friends, and they're very happy. So go look at your Home Depot. See if you could find it. I checked a few different AI engines. They can't explain why. They don't know any sales, any advertised anything. They didn't hear any press releases. It's not made public. I asked the lady at Home Depot, she said, that's a clearance tag, like we're getting rid of that. But what does that mean? Are they getting rid of Titebond 3? Is that the bad news? I don't know. Or are they, is it going to be a different package, a different SKU number, a different UPC number like that? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But you can't go to my, you can, but they're not going to have any because I bought it all. Anyway, good luck. I hope you find some out there, and I hope you put it to work and make some beautiful projects.